Students and the Cultural Revolution. How are the students involved with the Cultural Revolution? What happened to most of the students of China? The Cultural Revolution started at 1966 for 10 years. Mao wanted to establish a further more effective bureaucracy. He organized groups to spread the idea of socialism. The Cultural Revolution left negative impacts on the people of China instead of creating a better country. Most of the students in China were not able to go to school and were dropped out during the Cultural Revolution. They were forced to do physical labor, such as working in the farms or at the factories. Students also were forced to complete a course about the ideals of the Cultural Revolution. They were taught about the Cultural Revolution's value. Many of the students during the Cultural Revolution worked in farms and factories to earn money for their school tuition fee and their families. Because Mao thought that education was useless, students in school to graduate were sent to the countryside, and about 80% of the students became factory and farm workers. Many young people had problems with food, housing, and money. A large number of students became parts of the Red Guard. The Red Guards are students who left school to spread Mao's word of that the moderated are bringing China down, and so China needs communism to rise up. At the end of the Cultural Revolution, the Red Guards were sent to the countryside to learn from the peasants. During the Cultural Revolution, talented students were wasted working at fields until the revolution ended.